My name is Becca. I'm 25 years old and I have autism. Today, I'm going to be stimming to Rod Stewart with Have You Ever Seen the Rain? I hope you enjoy. I want to stim into this. Have you ever seen the rain by Rod Stewart? Go! Someone told me a while ago, there's a cloud before the storm. I know it's it'll rain when it's over, so they say. It'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I know I've never seen the rain. I've never seen the rain coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, summer's cold and rain is hot. I know. Wait for all my time. And I'm gone. Circle fast and slow. I know. It can't stop our one now. Wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yeah. Seen the rain. It's Rod Stewart. Have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my video and thank you for watching. That was Rod Stewart with Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Have you ever seen the rain? Rod Stewart. Thank you for watching. Bye.